Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in a HP Envy 5020. And this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer without needing to involve an attached PC or laptop. So first of all, we just need to get our fingers in a little recess which can be found under the scanner. Go a little bit lower and lift, and when this is open, your printer will realise and move the ink cartridge cradle into this point here where you can access it out from under that little shelf there. Now, as you probably notice, I'm actually missing a colour cartridge at the moment due to a technical issue my customer's having, so I'll show you just on the black cartridge here. So on top of the cartridge there's like this little flat bit. If we lift that up, it kind of presents the cartridge to you just like that. You can lift it out, it's completely loose. Get your replacement. I don't actually need one because this cartridge is fine, but if you've got a new cartridge, ensure you've removed any protective packaging. Remanufactured cartridges will quite often come with a clip on the front, and both original and alternative cartridges will have a bit of coloured tape, normally covering this print head bit at the moment where the ink comes out, and the tape comes up with a paper tab, so just pull the paper tab and peel it off. Another thing to look out for is some manufacturers will put it on sideways, so make sure you haven't missed it the side here, because if that's blocked, the printer can't get any ink out. Now, pop him back into the printer, just kind of place him loosely in there, and this little flap does most of the hard work for us. Pulls him back into place. Repeat for the other cartridge if you need, and then we just push down on the top of the scanner, and we're done. The printer will take a look at the ink cartridges, make sure it's happy, just navigate through any messages you're getting on the menu until you return to the homepage again. But that's about all there is to see here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If it's been helpful, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, take care and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.